This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 7, Lesson 21. In this lesson, we're going to see the similarities between measurement and skip counting. In the first question, I have a centimeter strip that starts at 20 centimeters and ends at 50 centimeters. We have one unit designated, but we don't know how big that unit is. We know that if we count these equal spaces, we have to land at 50. I'm going to start by making a guess that each unit is worth 10 centimeters. If I skip counted by 10, starting at 20, that would mean I'd jump to 30, 40, and 50. Well, I can't be at 50 already if I know that the end of the strip is 50 centimeters. So I'm not skip counting by tens, and that means that one unit is not worth 10. So I'm going to change my guess. This time I'm going to see if we're skip counting by fives. I'll start again at the 20 centimeter mark. If I count by fives, I jump to 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That works. That tells me that each unit is worth 5 centimeters. We'll fill that in. Each unit has a length of 5 centimeters. Now we need to determine what the value of A is. So if we do our skip counting again, we have 25, 30, 35, 40. The A is at the 40 centimeter mark on this centimeter strip. So A equals 40 centimeters. Let's look at the next question. This time we start at 35 centimeters and we end at 85 centimeters. I'm going to guess 10 for each unit and we'll skip count by tens to see if that's correct. Start at 35, go to 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. So that is correct. Each unit has a length of 10 centimeters. Then to determine the value of B, skip count again, we have 45, 55, 65. That tells me B is at the 65 centimeter mark. B equals 65 centimeters. This question's a little different because we're told from the start that each unit is 5. So each section is worth 5. We have 2 questions to answer. First, we need to determine the value of D, and then we need to find the difference between D and 45. Well, if I skip count by fives, I have 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. D is worth 75. There's a couple different ways I can come up with the difference between D and 75. On a number line, the difference refers to the distance between the two numbers. So I can just count my hops. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hops. That's 6 hops of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That tells me the difference between D and 45 is 30, or 6 hops of 5. Let's look at one more question. In this question, we're told that each unit is worth 10 on the number line. So each space is 10. This time we're given the ending number, but we don't have the starting number. We need to determine the value of E. In order to do that, I'm going to start at the 180, and I'm going to jump backwards by 10. So if I jump back 1 unit, that would take me to 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120. That tells me E is 120. To find the difference between 180 and E, which is 120, I can count my hops of 10. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The difference between 180 and E is 60.